Welcome to this issue of CCC Trends. The data is in. Nearly 3/4 of all vehicles of curb weight of 8,500 pounds or less produced and sold in the U.S. between September 1st of 2019 and August 31st of 2020 included automatic emergency braking and frontal crash warning. This was the third progress report from the 20 automakers that originally signed up for the commitment to advancing automatic emergency braking, and shows that the automakers are close to reaching the 100% goal well before the target date of September 1st of 2022. Figure 1 illustrates the gains made by automakers toward the commitment, where the total share with AEB has grown from 25% for lightweight vehicles produced and sold between September 1st of 2016 and August 31st of 17 to 45% to 63% to 74% over the next subsequent years. This may be one of the few really positive developments in a year where pandemic, election, raging wildfires, a record number of tropical storms and hurricanes making U.S. landfall, and more challenged us all. Research from CCC, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, Thatcham, AAA Foundation for Traffic Safety, automakers, and others has shown AEB is one of the most effective advanced driver assistance systems to date. For example, analysis of police-reported crashes and insurance claims data identified a 50% reduction in front-to-rear crashes for vehicles equipped with forward collision warning plus auto brake. However, one of the key challenges that still remains is the understanding of the different capability of AEB and other ADAS technology among the automakers. The work required to repair ADAS-equipped vehicles varies substantially among vehicle manufacturers as well. In previous analyses, CCC has provided a projected impact of ADAS on the number of vehicles and accidents over time. The impact is ultimately a byproduct of how well the systems work, which ADAS system is triggered, road and traffic conditions, and how many vehicles on the road are even equipped with ADAS. 31% of all CCC's national industry claim count for calendar year 2020 through November were vehicles of 0 to 3 years of age. Figure 2 illustrates the share of claim count per individual age, which in calendar year 2020 essentially represents vehicles that were ranging from model year of 2017 through model year 2020. So, chances are our industry is already beginning to see more of these AEB-equipped vehicles among their claims and repairs. Despite slower claims this year due to the pandemic, hopes that a vaccine for the COVID-19 virus could be available in the early part of next year have prompted analysts to raise their projections for 2021 sales. Subsequently, one thing we can plan on in 2021 is further growth of ADAS-equipped vehicles, underwritten and potentially claimed and repaired by our industry. Thank you for joining us for this issue of CCC Trends.